campfire potato pie. So we're gonna crank this up. I want a lot of heat on this pan because we're gonna caramelize one onion. We're gonna put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil right in the bottom. All right, onions go in. Now let's talk about the potatoes. Now we're gonna bake this with russet potatoes here, and we got 4, all right, and they're ready to go. And we're gonna slice them really thin using one of my favorite tools, which is a mandolin, right? I've got a French mandolin here. So we're gonna take these potatoes and we're just gonna slice them as thin as we possibly can. All right, cool, we're gonna get these guys into a bowl. We'll season with a little salt, a little bit of fresh cracked pepper, all right? Onions are looking good, we've got some color on them already. Look at that, that's beautiful. All right, so we're gonna take the onions, we're gonna put them right on top of the potatoes. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil. You wanna bring this up to a slight smoke. All right, then we're gonna put the potatoes back in the pan, and then we're gonna press them down. All right, perfect. All right. All right, you wanna pull the potatoes out, kind of a little bit at a time. Onions, potatoes, so we're gonna go right in the bottom. And then just gonna take our hand and just kind of push everything around so it's nice and flat and well layered, okay? All right, now that we got that, we're gonna put a little bit of butter right on top of them. Cut off 1 and then 2. And then it's gonna take the butter, it's gonna break this up into pieces and just kind of dot the top of this. Just make it nice and rich to smooth the whole thing out. All right, perfect. Now we also wanna protect the top of this. We wanna cover this with a little bit of parchment paper. So it steams and bakes all at the same time, all right? And we're gonna add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil right to the top of this and just kind of rub it on the paper so it doesn't burn, okay? And then we're gonna put this into the oven at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes until it's baked and crisp, and then we're gonna flip it out and it's gonna look really, really gorgeous. It's kind of one of those aha moments, especially if you do it in front of people. It's pretty neat. Now check this out. Campfire potato pie. It's got 3 ingredients, that's why it's great. I got a spatula here. And go around the outside of this. All right, see, it's perfect. It just kind of comes right out. All right, and then we're gonna flip it out onto a plate. All right, can I get a drum roll, please? All right, put a plate on top. There we go. And bang, look at that, isn't that beautiful? That's what I'm talking about. Campfire potato pie, baby. Crispy. It's like a big stack of hash browns.